It's gross. You dropped it in my cup of water. You still want to play with this. This is so gross. Look at it. This is gross, Peter. Gross. Gross. Ready. Ew, it's splashing everywhere. Go get it. Yeah, I know you think it's gross too. Yeah. You don't want me to touch it? Ready? Are you ready for this? Bring me back the gross soap ball. Okay, come on. Here. Good boy. Okay. Jump. Thank you. You need to dry this. Ready? Go. Bring it back. Hot more. It's good. Okay. Oh, good boy. Good boy.